The new 2020 Apple iPad Pro is here. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to the channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today, yes, title, video, kind of self-explanatory. We have the 2020 iPad Pro, the brand new iPad Pro, and we are going to, as we typically do on this channel, unbox it. Right off the bat, I'm just gonna say I am a little surprised how minor the changes are in the 2020 iPad Pro, especially compared to the 2018 iPad Pro, but we're not gonna get into that in this video. That is for another video that will be coming shortly. First things first, per usual, let's take a quick look at the box, but before I do that, I can't wait any longer. Let's do this thing right here. That's it. That's the best part of the unboxing video. It's all downhill from here. Kidding, kind of, not really, slightly. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, that is still so satisfying to this day. I've probably unboxed, I don't know, hundreds of products, and the cellophane takeoff, still, best part. But now that we got the cellophane off, hopefully you can get a better look at the actual box itself. You see the front of the iPad with a very cool wallpaper that we're gonna be getting right there. iPad Pro, Apple logo on the back, a little bit more information on the particular model I chose. This is the 11-inch iPad Pro, 128 gigs in space gray, by the way, if you're wondering. I was gonna go for the 12.9-inch, but I hesitated because I do wanna directly compare the 2020 iPad Pro to the 2018 in a future video. So for sake of fairness, I'm gonna compare the same sizes. So in case you're wondering why I went with the 11-inch, that's why. But here we go. Every time, I swear, it just doesn't want to open for me. My unboxing videos just aren't quite as sexy as they used to be. Let's redo that. Let's just do that again. There it is. The 2020 iPad Pro. Oh, ooh. The new camera system. We're gonna talk about that in just a second, but one of the main features of the 2020 iPad Pro is the addition of a new lens, in case you're the kind of individual who is constantly taking photos or using the camera on your iPad Pro, so more on that in just a second. Before we get to the removal of the cellophane on the iPad Pro itself, let's just take another look at what comes in the actual box. This is an unboxing video, so this is important. Designed by Apple in California, little packet of information here. Let's open this up. What do we get? Now I'm trying to do this in a sexy way. It's not sexy. That it? That's it. Why is this thicker than I thought it was gonna be? Thick little packet, but it's deceiving because there's only a couple pieces of paper in it. Anyway, in here, first of all, hold up. There they are. The Apple stickers, which I'm excited about getting every single time, but still to this day don't know what to actually do with them. So glad I got them, but they're just, I just collect them without sticking them to anything. Also, in addition to the stickers, little quick start guide, health, safety information, warranty information, all that's in here. So that's good stuff in this little packet. Boom. Next up, of course, you have your USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which goes along with the wall adapter that comes with your iPad Pro. That's good, that allows for a little bit of quicker charging, and I do love that the iPad Pro is USB-C. Some people aren't sure whether it should still be Lightning or not. No, I think it should be USB-C. Nice to see that the 2020 iPad Pro, like the 2018 iPad Pro, is indeed USB-C. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing else underneath that. It's literally pretty minimalistic. Just your USB-C charging cord, your wall adapter, and your iPad Pro. So let's move everything else out of the way, focus on the baby itself, and present to you the second best part of this unboxing, this right here. Ooh, I may have lied. That definitely more satisfying than doing that to the box, always. So yes, second cellophane ripoff. Just does something inside. Butterflies. There it is. Woo! It is sexy. And I wasn't gonna do this, but now that I have it unwrapped here, we gotta compare it quickly to the 2018. I'm gonna have to take it out of my case. By the way, if you wanna know my iPad Pro complete setup, all the accessories I use, what I recommend, you can click the little I notification, little card annotation that's gonna pop up. That will bring you to my iPad Pro setup video that breaks down my entire setup. But for the sake of comparisons, let's undo all of it. Quick comparison. This is gonna be super quick. Gotta keep it fair, so super quick. Oh, Siri's going off. Oops. So side by side, you can see, same size, not a whole lot different here. I do have a screen protector on here. That's the only difference that you're gonna visually see. You can see the back, pretty similar as well. However, that camera system, the camera, that's what's different here. You have this black kind of camera set up on the iPad Pro, housing that new lens that you have, as well as the LiDAR scanner, something you do not get on the camera of the 2018 iPad Pro. So very similar visually, even on the sides. Everything is looking pretty much identical, to be honest, even on the bottom. Yeah, everything's identical except for that camera. That's the only visual thing you could see that's immediately different about the two. More in-depth and detailed comparisons between the 2020 iPad Pro and the 2018 iPad Pro will be on this channel in the future, so subscribe so you don't miss those. But that's enough comparison in this particular video. That's all we're gonna do. It is an unboxing video, not a comparison video, although it's probably gonna end up being titled Quick Comparison, because that was a quick comparison. I will say it's pretty cool to see that new camera setup on the iPad Pro. Me personally, I do hardly any kind of video or photo taking on the iPad Pro using the back camera. I do use the front camera, but the back camera, I'm never using. Let's be honest, I'm never using it. I do all my photo taking, professional photo taking on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And speaking of which, that's something to point out here. You can see a striking similarity between the camera bezel, bump, housing, whatever you want to call it. We do have this square kind of setup here between the iPad Pro and the 11 Pro Max, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So very similar looks there. It kind of suggests that Apple may be trying to get on the same page as it relates to the design between the iPad Pro and the iPhone. So hopefully this is a sign of things to come, so we could finally get those beautiful square edges like we have on the iPad Pro on the next iPhone. That's literally the only thing that I think would make the iPhone better at this point. Well, a couple other things, but design-wise, square edges. Give me those square edges. For the sake of the unboxing, we will turn this baby on. Just press and hold the power button. Come on. Boom, the Apple logo. That right there. Okay, that's satisfying thing number 3. There's, I guess, 3 things in particular that are super satisfying, sexy, fun to do. Turning the thing on would be number 3. Hello. Boom, and then we can set it up from here. I'm not gonna do that because you guys already know that. If you wanted a walkthrough of that, we do a separate video for you. But that is the iPad Pro 2020. And as is to be expected, just like the 2018 iPad Pro, the 2020 iPad Pro feels absolutely amazing. And I do have to point out another thing I love about the iPad Pro is the minimal bezel system we have around the display. I don't mind that slight bezel if it means we don't have any kind of notch like we have here on the iPhone. Oh, my boy just texted me. But do you see what I mean? I would not mind a slight bezel on the iPhone like we have on the iPad Pro if it meant getting rid of that notch. Right there. And I would like the iPhone 12, or whatever it's going to be called, to look much more like the iPad Pro. And with the way that new camera system looks, comparing that to the iPhone, maybe we will. Maybe we'll have some striking similarities, we'll see. But iPad Pro 2020, unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want more information about the new iPad Pro, or just to snag one for yourself, you guys could actually head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/2020 iPad Pro. That is bmac.link/2020 iPad Pro, or as always, there will be a link in the video description box. And if you own an iPad Pro, the new iPad Pro, or any iPad in general, please do me a favor and leave your comments and thoughts on the new iPad Pro in the comment section below. I wanna hear what you guys have to think. I always enjoy going through those comments and seeing what your opinion is, so please comment down below. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the 2020 iPad Pro, smash that thumbs up button to let me know. I'm gonna go set this baby up, definitely put this new camera system to the test, considering that's like the main upgrade besides the chip inside of this new iPad Pro, so I'm gonna go put that to the test. I will see you guys in my next video. I mean, I can't picture myself running around town taking creative photographs with a huge tablet device like this. I just can't do that, but who knows? Maybe things will change. Not likely, but maybe. Maybe.